to check network connection in MacBook. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is use the menu bar. Look at the top right corner of your MacBook and there you will get to see Wi-Fi icon. Click on it. If connected, you will see the current network name. If not connected, select a network from the list and enter the password if needed. So, after doing this, if you still want to check your internet connection or network connection, then you can use terminal. All you have to do is tap on the command plus spacebar and type down terminal. And once terminal is opened, all you have to do is type down pinggoogle.com and hit enter. If you see replies, then you are connected. But if you see request timeout or unknown host, your connection is likely down. Also, if you want to check IP info, then simply type down ifconfig and this shows you active interfaces and IP address. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.